From the chilling pages of Mary Shelley's Frankenstein, the idea of science creating a monstrous life has haunted our imagination. But what happens when this dark fantasy bleeds into reality? We often view such tales as cautionary fiction, yet history and contemporary reports reveal instances where real scientific experiments, driven by curiosity or a quest for knowledge, have inadvertently conjured their own terrifying creations. Reports detail an unsettling discovery: a woman accidentally stumbled upon an underground laboratory, hidden from public knowledge. Within its confines, investigators found evidence of extensive biological experiments. The true scope of these clandestine operations, and their ultimate purpose, remain shrouded in secrecy, raising immediate questions about the nature of the research being conducted beneath the earth. According to the available information, the experiments conducted in that hidden facility culminated in a horrifying outcome: scientists successfully bred a monster. The implications of such a creation are chilling enough, but the situation escalated dramatically. Records indicate that, in a terrifying turn of events, these very scientists were ultimately attacked by the creature they brought into existence. This grim incident underscores a profound truth: scientific exploration, particularly in the realm of biology and genetics, carries inherent risks. The power to manipulate life at its fundamental level can yield unprecedented breakthroughs, but it also harbors the potential for catastrophic unintended consequences, transforming harmless subjects into something profoundly dangerous, even monstrous. One striking example comes from the world of gene editing. Scientists, while exploring genetic pathways, engaged in experiments involving hamsters. These small rodents are typically known for their docile nature, often kept as common household pets. The research aimed to understand certain biological mechanisms, but the trajectory of the experiment took an unexpected and alarming turn. In what has been described as an outcome resembling the opening scene of a horror movie, the gene editing experiment profoundly altered the hamster's behavior. These normally placid creatures, known for their calm disposition, began to exhibit alarming changes. The scientific team witnessed a transformation far beyond their initial expectations. The experiment inadvertently transformed the hamsters into what reports from Coast to Coast AM and iHeart refer to as ultra-aggressive monsters. This was not an intended result but an accidental byproduct of genetic manipulation. The creatures became unnervingly hostile, a stark and terrifying contrast to their natural temperament. These documented cases, from the mysterious underground lab to the gene-edited hamsters, highlight a crucial lesson: the complexity of biological systems often defies complete prediction. Even with the most rigorous controls and ethical intentions, altering life at its core can trigger unforeseen consequences, revealing hidden potentials for aggression or other monstrous traits. These incidents serve as chilling reminders of the immense responsibility that accompanies scientific advancement. While the pursuit of knowledge is vital, these accidental creations force us to critically evaluate the ethical boundaries and safety protocols governing experimental biology. The potential for unintended harm remains a constant, looming shadow over the breakthroughs. Ultimately, the line between groundbreaking discovery and accidental catastrophe is often razor-thin. As science continues to push the limits of what's possible, these real-world monsters born from experimentation stand as stark warnings. They compel us to ask, in our quest to understand and reshape life, are we always prepared for the unintended, terrifying consequences of our own making?